Okay, this video today is how to triple boot Debian 9 with Windows 10, Windows 10 and Linux Mint in UEFI. It's going to be multi-boot number 3. Multi-boot number 3. So first thing you do, you create a folder on the downloads here with the name Debian, and we're going to save the files that we're going to download to this folder. I'm going to use torrents to download the file. It's a big file. So I'm going to use a torrent. So I'm going to use the DVD here, AMD 64 here. So I'm going to bookmark this page here, Debian. So first we're going to right click and select SHA-512 SUM here, open new tab, and also we're going to download the ISO here. So AMD 64 DVD ISO, click there. Then we're going to save the ISO on the Debian here, save, double click to open it. I'm going to save this through Debian, select folder, click OK, and now is a 30 gigabyte, almost 4 gigabyte file. I'm going to pause the video here until it's finished downloading. Okay, the download is completed, so I'm going to close this. Now we're going to verify the ISO, right click, save as on Debian, that's the SHA-512 SUM. I'm going to use the software, I'm going to use this software here to verify the ISO. It's called MD5 and SHA checksum utility. The link is going to be on the video description on YouTube. So the video that I'm downloading is Debian 9.6. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, you use the SHA-1 to verify the ISO. So what you're going to do here, you just need the SHA-512 here, click Browse, go to Debian, the ISO. So you go here to Debian ISO here, you copy the SHA-512 here, it has to match this one here. It has to match this one. I'm gonna leave in the bottom here. I'm gonna pause the video until we finish. Okay, as you can see, I just have to paste and click verify here, and it has to give this option. It has to say SHA-512 hash has matched. So that means that's good. That's not the ISO is good to use. So I'm gonna bookmark this here, and I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna use Rufus to create the live USB. You open the software first. And now you're going to connect the USB flash drive. Now you see my flash drive here, King's Traveler. Click select here. Go to Debian, select the ISO. Click, leave the option the way it is here. So just have to do is click start, click yes, click OK, click OK. I'm gonna pause the video here. Just the folder, just minimize that. I'm gonna pause until we finish. Okay, now that the disk is created, just click close here, and on the folder, the Debian, the live USB, it has the UEFI folder here. So now I have a video showing how to resize a partition using the disk management here to resize the Windows partition. Also from the live USB using gparted. Now to follow this video, you must have a bootable USB flash drive with the Windows 10 and a backup of your files to external flash drive, hard drive. And now, once you do that, you just have to do is restart the computer with the flash drive connected to the computer, and then you're gonna have to when your computer starts, you have to be pressing on my computer is F12 to select the boot menu, the boot menu. So when you see the black screen here, you're going to start to press the F12 here. Other computers is F11. You have to see so I have to be clicking here. Okay, when you see the logo, now Kingston Data Traveler is the USB flash drive. Just have to do is press enter. Actually, let's see something here. It didn't start the. Okay, so I had to restart the computer. So it's going to be, I'm going to use the graphical install. Just press enter. So select your language, click continue, select your location, the keyboard, your computer keyboard, your location here, in this case here, your location here, click continue, keyboard type, click select and click continue. Here you just click no and continue. Okay, I'm gonna connect to the internet here. Let me see if okay, the computer name can be with name with letter and number. Yeah, domain name will leave empty. Click continue. In this case here, I'm going to leave this empty, and because I want to have my account to be to use sudo to here you set up the password. Okay, Easter time, continue. Okay, we're going to use manual partitioning. Click continue. So now you just have to create one partition because I already have the swap partition. So this is the free space here. I'm going to double click and select create a new partition. Click continue. Then I want a partition with 40 gigabytes, which is going to be 40 gigabytes going to be 4960. Gonna be it's gonna be 40 gigabytes. Okay, continue. The beginning. I'm going to install multiple desktop here, so it's going to be ext4 with a mount point. I'm going to label Debian. We continue, and reserve box. Click done, setting up the partition. Then it's going to be partition number 6 with 40 gigabytes. I'm going to format with ext4 with a mount point. Now just what I have to do is click finish partition in here. Can double click or click continue. Okay, now I just have to do click yes here, click continue. Now I'm going to pause until the installation is finished. Okay, network mirror can be used to prevent software that is included. Use a network mirror? Yes. Click continue. So I'm going to use United States. And I'm going to use Debian, dev.debian.org. Click continue. I don't need a proxy. Here, you just have to do is click no and click continue. Okay, this part here, I'm gonna install all desktop environment from Debian here. What you're gonna do, you should select only one desktop environment. But I'm planning to make some video tutorial with each Debian desktop environment. So when I do the installation here, I'm going to be able to select which desktop environment that I want to use. But you should just install one desktop environment. You can install all of them, but it's going to be faster if you just have only one. And the latest one is with the mate, XFCE, LXDE, LXQT. The KDE is not heavy. The GNOME is a little heavier as well. Okay, on this case here, I'm going to use GDM3, and I'm going to click continue. Installation is complete, so it's time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into the new system rather than restarting the installation. So it's connected. Continue. Now I'm going to boot to Debian, host boot. I'm going to pause this to make it a little longer. Okay, so now if I go on the top here, actually if I click here, I can boot to LXDE, the Cinnamon, the GNOME Classic, GNOME Wayland, default mate, open box, Plasma, and the XFCE. So I'm gonna boot, just gonna boot to the GNOME desktop. So that's the GNOME desktop environment. So now I'm gonna restart my computer. I'm gonna boot to Windows. I can boot to Linux Mint. In Windows, I'm gonna boot to Windows. So my next video is going to be how to quad boot Ubuntu 18.04 with Linux Mint, Debian, and Windows 10. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and give a like. See you in the next video.